To everyone, repeat the same process of tying the hair from the middle, giving it a heart shape in between, and then rolling it to the upper part, passing it through the gap. Take two parts of the hair and then keep tying plaits, extending it to the other parts as well, and give it a dangling look by rolling the plaits to the other side. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plaits from one side. Do repeat the same process and keep inserting small sections of the hair through that plait. Then take two sections of hair and then give it a layering look by tying both the term of hair together. Take two parts of the hair, then tie half ponytail. Take one part of the hair, tie plaits. Take the other half, tie plaits again. Take the lower part, give it a circular look, and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, and then keep making knots and plaits from every end of the hair. Then when you are done, tie the lower ends together. Take two parts of the hair. Start tying plaits. It should be the alternate plaits, the other way round as usual. Then the plaits should be three-tiered. You should be very careful. This hair hat is very beautiful. Take two parts of the hair, tie half ponytail, insert it through the gap, take the lower end, keep tying ponytails or plaits. See, the plait should be in four parts, it should be thick, and then you can carefully secure it with the help of bobby pin or a batten just like this. Take the other end of the comb and then roll your hair in the form of zigzag hairbandy look from behind. See how beautiful that looks. You should be very careful, and when it's done, it will give you a tiara look from behind. Roll your hair and then comb it properly. Tie half ponytail from your hair carefully. Then insert one part of your hair through the gap of the other part just like this. Repeat the same process of inserting and taking it out. Do it until your hair looks like layer, and then take the remaining part and tie it properly. Thank you for watching.